everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Alright, so today's quick and easy treat holder day, and this is what I'm sharing. Our little turtle. I love this bundle. I just can't get enough of this little guy. He's so cute. I'm going to actually change it up. I'm going to change up the colors because after I did it, I thought, I wanted a little bit more bright and cheerful. So we are going to change the colors on it and see what we get. Then at the end, you can tell me which one you like better. But it's really quick and easy. I'm using the Stampin' Up! Clear envelopes. I don't know if a lot of you know about the clear envelopes. So we are using these. And I only need one. But these are great for storing your cards. I usually put my cards in them after I make them, and then we keep them. I keep them nice and pristine for when I want to give them, and they don't get crinkled up or messed up because I have mine all in like a little container. So when I put them in, I could just pull one out. And these are really great because you can see your card and you can see which occasion it's for. I don't have mine in occasion, unfortunately. I need to start doing that, organizing it better, but oh my gosh, I just don't have the time. So these are what we're using. There are quite a few in this, and I can't remember how many come in it, but you need to look up the clear envelopes. So I am using the Turtle Bites, and I bought a big package of these, and I did do another video using these Turtle Bites. I'll link it somewhere in this video. You do need 4 of them, so I did grab 4 out of here. And we're going to just put these in here. And this is a really easy one to do. All right, so we're going to put all 4 in here. And then all you have to do is take off this little backing it has on here. And I'm going to make sure these are in here nice and tightly. This one's all missed. There we go. And pretty straight. I mean, this doesn't have to be perfect, honestly. Who's going to look at how straight they are or whatever? And then I got them all packaged really nice and tight in there. All right, so that's that part. The other thing we're using is the Turtle Friends Bundle. So it's this stamp set and this turtle die punch. It's so cute. You save 10% when you get it together. And then I'm also using the Picture This dies. And these are the 2 that come in this. You can actually use these on the front of a card and cut out the holes on the front of your card, or cut out these little rectangles. So I'm just using this middle one. So I already cut out one out of Real Red because we're going to use Real Red in our next one. But you'll have all these circles and rectangles you can use. They do come out like this. So you have 3 and they are stitched on the edge. These are really, really nice ones to have because you'll always have those circles and rectangles. All right, and then to stamp him, I'm going to use the soft suede, and I'm going to use also my Memento black. I'm going to move this all out of the way so we can go ahead and stamp. And we're going to stamp our turtle. I'll tell you all the measurements and stuff when we get to that part. But we're going to just go ahead and stamp him because I am using my blends on him. So you do need to be sure and use Memento ink so it doesn't run. Then I'm going to use soft suede for his little shell. Again, I did the other one in Evening Evergreen and the soft succulent, but I like him better with the darker shell. I think it was a little bit too much green for me, but I see a lot of people doing it. I'm going to use the light crumb cake blend, and we are just going to color the back of his shell here. And I always mean to bring down the coloring because a lot of people ask me, can you bring it closer when you're coloring? I don't do anything fancy. And the reason I don't do that so much is I always forget to put it back to the normal zoom, and it ends up messing up my video. Now, I've done that too many times to even mention, and I've had to do my video over. So this is light, soft succulent, and I am not, like I said, I'm not a professional alcohol artist, ink artist, but I've seen some amazing work, and I always say this, I always wish that I had that talent, but I don't know, maybe someday I'll get better at it. And then I'm just going to shade a little bit with the dark here underneath his legs here, maybe a little on the tail where there might be a little bit of shading. And then I'm going to do his little toes here. And I'm going to blend that out just a little bit here. So I'm not doing a whole lot. Oh, I forgot to stamp his little bow, and we're going to make his little bow real red. All right, now let's punch him out with our little punch here. I'm going to make sure I don't mess up his little face. There we go. Perfect. And now I'm just going to cut this bow. And there you have it. The bow is all cut. I need to cut that end a little bit better. There we go. And then I'm going to just add a little bit of wet glue right there so we can put his bow on. All right, now I'm going to zoom out because I almost forgot again. I told you that I am bad about this. All right, so there we go. So he's all ready to go to put on our little holder. All right, so let's score the pieces we need. So the one piece we need, I'm going to tell you here all these measurements. You need a piece that is 7.5 by 4, and this one is Coastal Cabana. This is the piece I used to cut out that rectangle with those dies I was talking about, and then the matting piece is 1 5/8 by 3 7/8. That's pretty much all you need. You do need another piece that's a 1/2 inch for the sentiment, but that's it. All right, so we are going to score this at 1 3/4 and at 2 1/4. And that is it. So we'll go ahead and just sharpen these. And we'll mat it. And we're going to mat it with this. And I'm going to show you the Designer Series paper here in a minute. This is the same Designer Series paper I used on my cards yesterday. Ooh, did I cut that a little bit too big? Let's see. Yeah, it's supposed to be 1 5/8. Yeah, I cut it a hair too. I'm going to just trim it, y'all. I cut it a little bit too wide. So it's 1 5/8 by 3 7/8. There we go. Look at that. I did a good job of that. I'm going to double check the measurements so I don't tell you something wrong. 1 2 3. Yeah. 1 5/8. All right. So can you see where we're going with this? A little bit brighter and more cheerful. So I brought up 2 ribbons, and we're going to use this for the sentiment. And oh, by the way, let's stamp that sentiment. Let's use the Memento Black. I love the sentiment. It's so cute. It says, "You're turtly loved." Isn't that cute? You can use this for just any occasion. It's so cute. And I'm going to cut that. And it is about, it's 1/2 by about 3 3/4. I'm going to flag the end of that. And then we're going to attach it to this piece here. And you can actually just cut it the same length as this other piece, this rectangle that we cut. I'm going to go ahead and do that. You don't need it that long. And I'm debating whether I want to use the real red ribbon or this Coastal Cabana, or no, this is Pool Party, or the Pool Party. I think I'm going to use the real red. But you need to punch a 1/2 inch up at the top here so it holds the ribbon on. And it's 4 inches, so I'm going to go right in the middle at about 2. And you're just going to punch a little. We don't carry the 1/2 inch circle punch anymore, but you can find those everywhere. So I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal, and we're going to put it on the back here to hold in our little turtles. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, I think I'm going to like the real red. Let's see. This is going to go on here. And then let's see if this one, which I know I'm keeping you here a little bit longer, but I have to decide. Since I decided to change the color up at the last minute, I have to decide. All right, I'm going to use the real red, y'all. I wish this was live right now so that I can tell you what do you think? So we're going to tie a bow. I don't need that much, and I don't want to waste this. This is our double stitched satin ribbon, and of course real red, and we're going to tie a bow down here. The other one I used are New in Color Evening Evergreen, and I used the sheer weave ribbon on that one, just in case you wanted to know that. Because a lot of times I always list all the products I use on my blog. So if you ever want to check that out, you can check all that stuff out on my blog. I always post whatever I do on my blog. So we're going to do that right there. And then we're going to pop up our turtle right here. And we're going to use dimensionals for that. I had to start a new pack of dimensionals. There they are. I was going to say I don't know where they went, but here they are. So we're going to put 3. And let's get him put on there. He's so cute. I don't want to cover up the words, so we're going to put him like that. All right, so there you have it. Isn't he cute? Oh my gosh, he's so cute. And I think the red goes really cute because the candies have that red on it. I'll show you the other one. Here's the other one. You tell me which one you like better. I don't know. I think they're both so cute. I love the turtle, so can't really go wrong with that turtle. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Have a blessed one, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.